So now we've signed up and we can try out the chat. So let's paste in one of the prompts. This can be found inside the community workspace. Here I'm acting as a investigative researcher, but I'm looking for obscure history and technology. So again, this prompt will be provided, and then afterwards, once we can see the output, we'll go through it step by step to actually understand what makes up a good prompt. So inside Claude, we're just waiting for the response to come back. So in the free edition, typically it does take a little bit longer for responses to come back. You can see that it's looking at different websites and it's also thinking through the result. So Sonnet is the model that we've selected at the bottom. And that's a general purpose one, which is quite a good one to go for. Here you can see that the response that's come back, and it says that it's provided 3 verified outputs. And then you can scroll through and see that. This is something that I encourage that you take the prompts from the workspace and try it out yourself. So now we've got the 3 different responses, and it's providing some historical information. But now what we want to do is actually take it and structure it in a slightly different format. So here we're acting as a research analyst, and what we're actually doing is providing a specific format that we want this response to be in. So here you can see you've got one section which has got technology, and then you've got another one which is primary objectives, objections. Okay. And then for another prompt, what we're doing is actually converting it into a more of a concise format, as in bullet points. So here you can see the response. And then once you have that, you can export it and copy it to other places, including Google Docs or Microsoft Word.